guys, thanks for joining me today on my channel. I really appreciate it. So my lips are missing color. That's because I have the new Sephora favorites Give Me Some Nude lip. They come out with these, I don't know how many times a year, but this is their spring one, and this is limited edition collection that they put together, and it comes like this, and there's always one full size one in there. So we're going to go through and try each of these on. So if you want to see what these all look like on these lips, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm just going to start off randomly. In between each one, I'm going to use a makeup wipe to clean it off, and then I'm going to use my beauty blender, kind of pat it down and start over. Okay, so the first one is this. It's a Smashbox. What do they call this? It didn't have the name on it. Be Legendary Liquid Pigment and Mauve Wife. This kit runs for $28. I get these quite a bit because I think it's a great way to try out the formula and new colors. And frankly, you know, sometimes you don't go through a whole tube, as I have a ton of. So these little ones are great for the purse and stuff. So let's try this out. It has a pointed applicator, and let's give it a shot. Okay, what do we think? I think it's very creamy. I don't know that this is going to dry down or not, because it's very sticky. That's what I'm looking for. So that makes me think it doesn't dry down all the way, but I do like the color. So that's the first one. So now I'm going to wipe off my lips and go to number 2. Okay, the next one I grabbed is the Tarte Turkeys. It's a quick dry matte lip in Exposed. So let's see how this goes. It's very, very neutral. Okay, right off the bat, very thin formula, which leads me to believe it will dry down matte, which you could already see, which then leads me to wonder if it's going to look weird and too dry on the lips, which I have a feeling it's going to. But you could always do this and then put on like a gloss. So that's number 2. Okay, the third one is a little lipstick from NARS. This is in Orgasm, which I have their blush of. That's a cult favorite blush. It's a little lipstick. Let's try it. Okay, not what I was expecting at all. I'd almost put this in the realm of like a lip topper, to be honest with you. It's so light, it doesn't really have any strong pigment to it. It does look beautiful on the lip, but I think with this one, I would even wear this as like an everyday because it has a beautiful iridescent sheen to it. Or I might put this over like if I penciled in my lips and that has that dry look to it, and then put that over it. That would probably be a really, really nice lip combination. But just with the reflex and stuff, it is very, very pretty. It just doesn't have much color to it. Okay, next one is Hourglass. This is in a lip stylo in Futurist. Okay, so it's like a crayon type look. Okay, very light. Of course, these are all nudes. They're not going to be like bright color. What I do like about this is the formula is very, very creamy. Not like the NARS one. It almost like tugged at your lip a little bit. This one is extremely creamy. I can only imagine the other colors that maybe have more color and pigment to them would be very nice. But really nice every day. Again, this might be good with, you know, like a lip pencil to bring out the definition of your lip a little more, but very nice. Next one we have is Buxom. They call it a full-on lip polish in the shade Sugar. So let's give that a shot. Looks very, very pretty. Oh my god, it smells so good too. It smells like frosting. I have another Buxom one. I have White Russian, which I really like. I could feel the tingle, oh, it has like a mint tingle to it, which White Russian does as well. Okay, so definitely a gloss, very high shine. I definitely feel the tingling. I mean, not like crazy, but you can feel it. Like minty. Very, very pretty. Again, this would be nice underneath something more drawing, something more colorful. Put that on as a topper. Very nice. Not sticky. Very, very nice. And last, our full size, which is Urban Decay Special Effects Lip Top Coat in Fever. And it looks beautiful. There's so many reflex in here. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. So again, this is going to be a topper, but we're going to do it on my natural lips so we can see it really well. Oh, it definitely has a weird applicator. It's like a brush, like a nail polish brush. I hope you can see the reflex in this. It's so pretty. It's very thin. Obviously nothing I would wear by itself. I would definitely put this on over maybe a liquid lipstick or something. But I hope you could see that. Very pretty. It has definite reflex in it, and it's so fun. I think definitely over the top of something it would be gorgeous. Okay, there you go. That is this spring's Sephora favorites. Give Me Some Nude Lip. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!